Wonderful. I'm going to
That
start
rule is
reading.
your
Pranav, can
worship.
we stop reading? I know. Can we start the session, please? I
Name
wanted
of
to
the
read
book
the
is
storybook.
Hey David.
Yeah. I'm done.
Hey David.
No,
No
David.
David.
The book is No David. It's one of my favorite books. I really used to love this book because I was a lot like David when I was a kid. And I know that Nandu also was like this. I know Pranav also was like this. I don't know if Meera was like this. But I think high five, Nandu, because you and me were like David. High five, Pranav, high five. You and me were like David also. So we will discuss that stories as well. So let's start. This book is called No David. It's called
No David.
No, we do.
Let's see what David
No
is doing.
David.
What is David doing over here? What is David doing over here?
He created a mess.
David has
Painting
created-
mess.
David made a mess.
Nandu, this looks like a painting mess to you.
So that is all paint that has fallen
It's
down.
not paint.
Array.
Please look carefully.
Mud.
Puddles.
It is
Puddle.
dirty mud from the garden. It is
Looks
In
like
the
a
garden.
mud from the garden. Should we take mud
Mud
from
from
the
the
garden and
garden.
come into the house like this?
No.
We cannot make mess
cannot.
in the house. It's bad idea to do that.
No.
Should keep the house clean.
No. See what a dirty mess he has made. So what is everybody screaming? No, David!
No David. No.
No. Now let's see what David does next. Pranav, tell me what is David doing over here?
David is actually holding a shark and saying, the bird is saying, no, David,
What? Pranav,
no.
where is he? Where is he? What room is this? Tell me what room.
Right, he's just here on this picture,
What
and
room is this? What room is this?
he's holding the shark.
Pranav, I asked you a question. What room is this? Look carefully. What room?
This is a bathroom.
Yes. In the bathroom, there is a bathtub. Correct? He's inside the bath.
Bathtub in the bathroom. Yeah.
Yes, he's inside the bathtub. You should be, and look at the water coming out of the bathtub. My God.
It's green color.
What a mess,
Dirty
Mess.
water.
Dirty.
Dirty
He has made the water dirty and he's playing inside the water. Are you supposed to be sitting in the bathtub and playing?
No.
No, shouldn't do that. It's just a bad idea to make a mess.
Very bad.
What
We
a
need
big
to make it
mess.
clean.
Look, in the water.
But David didn't make it
Must
clean.
have put something dirty inside there, isn't it? And the water must be stinking. The water must be
Like gutter water.
stinking like
The
gutter
water will smell
water.
bad.
This is like Nandu's idea of going to Chennai and being in the
Nandu,
Kupam.
yeah.
For his beloved people. He wants to be in the Kupam and that dirty gutter water and stink like a pig.
Ayyo.
No. So what do we say? We say no.
This is all mad ideas.
No. That's
This is
what
all mad
God
ideas.
said to David.
Now let's see what Meera, tell me what David is
Akshay,
doing over
This
here.
is all mad
Nandu,
ideas.
watch. This is like you. Meera, tell me.
Jumping around out of the house.
Meera,
Without
what is he?
clothes.
Without clothes? He's naked.
Ayyo.
Nandakishore, your
Akshay,
beloved wanted you
This
to
is all
do
mad ideas. Mad
this.
ideas.
Let me talk.
Oh my God.
Nandakishore,
No,
your
you told me
beloved...
something. No, that is mad ideas.
Correct. This, Nandu, your beloved asked you to go outside like this.
Ayyo. Array.
That is Nandu's bum in Chennai.
Array.
Nandu will be running like this in Chennai because his beloved told him, remove your clothes, become Chennai chaddi and run like a mad boy on the roads.
No.
And always act like Nandini.
Always act like Nandini.
Very bad idea. So here David is doing something silly, but David is a child. David is a baby.
Baby.
See, small
David-
baby.
David is a child.
Babies do things like this. It's okay. 16-year-old boys do like this. Then what will people do?
अरे
That's a baby character.
Yes, but when Nandu, who is 16 years old, is going to do Chennai Chatti dance in Chennai, what is the police going to do?
Uh,
No, please
Arrest
answer the question, Nandu.
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
sure.
Okay, good. So let's go back. Okay. Let us see what Nandu tell us what David is doing here.
We can't see your
he's
video.
walking naked.
Yeah, it's better now.
Naked. He's not naked. Look at the
No,
picture.
no. Now he's walking. Now he's walking with. But he's trying to climb and take things from the shelf.
What is going to happen to him?
He can fall down.
So his mother says, David's mom always says, no, David. No.
David.
And in the school,
There's
we
no
all-
David.
Yeah, in the school, all of us are always saying, no, Nandu. What are we saying?
No, no, no.
अरे
Should say. No, Nandu.
Dear David, or what?
So I want to, here the mother is saying, come back here, David. What is she saying?
She
Come
just
here
said,
back,
come
David."
back here, David.
Yes. Now David is doing this. This is okay because he's a baby. Children don't know. No, children don't have brains. Correct. They're very small.
Yeah.
They can't think. They don't understand. That's why they make mistakes like this. Then they will run away outside without clothes. It's okay. But if a 16-year-old or a 20-year-old does this, then the police are going to arrest him. And
Like
send
how
him
that
to
Arjun threatened to
mental
arrest me
hospital.
in Chennai.
Yes. Send him to mental hospital. Got
But
it?
why is he threatening to break my hands and legs, Akshay?
So,
That's what the police people do. So sad. With criminals. When you remove your clothes, if you're 16 years old or 18 years old, you remove your clothes and you dance on the road, then you are criminal
Arre.
or you're not criminal.
Criminal.
Or you're good citizen. What are you?
I am bad citizen. Criminal.
Criminal. What is the police going to do, Aarti?
No, I put drag me to jail.
Thank you. And beat you. Okay, let's get the reality in perspective. Now let's
Traffic
look.
police. What about traffic police? What will they do?
They will also arrest you. Thank you and beat you. Enjoy. Okay. Pranav, can you tell me what is happening in the picture?
so David is holding the pan and the spoon, and David was trying to take the spoon and do like this to the pan, and
Pranav, can you go to
make
the
the
kitchen?
sound.
Pranav, can you go to the kitchen, get one plate and spoon and make the sound for us, please, quickly. Go run,
Oh.
run, run. Bring one spoon and plate, fast.
Huh?
अरे
You're scared, eh? Are you scared? It's
But
okay. Well,
David
Anima
is
Akshay
actually
asked me to
doing
do.
something.
Don't worry, it's okay. We will copy David little bit. Go bring spoon and plate. Go fast, no?
What is story?
What is this scary children? Nandu, go bring one spoon and plate from your kitchen. Meera, go.
Akshay, what is the use of reading the
Wait.
story?
After I finish, I will tell. Now go bring a spoon and plate. Come on, bang! Let's bang together. Bang, let's bang. 1, 2.
Even David also makes that sound.
Yes, come on, make the sound. Come on, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Very good, Meera. Very good, Pranav. Nandu, you are waiting for. What are you doing, Nandu?
Come on.
अरे
Nandu Kishore, what are you doing?
hey.
So we also come fast. Pranav, we all saw that it's okay sometimes to fool around like David. It is okay.
Yeah.
As far as you're not
Yeah.
troubling other people, always fooling around, being naughty is okay if we are not troubling other people. Do you
Okay.
understand? That is
Yes.
the moral of the story. So here everybody is saying, David, be quiet. David, be quiet. What is everybody saying?
David,
be
be quiet like that.
Yes, David, be quiet. Let's see what's happening. Meera, tell us what's happening over here.
Don't play with your food. So he's messing up around his food in the table.
Yeah. Instead of eating with his food, see what he has done with his food. He's made a person with his food. He's put a potato on the
Aiyo.
top for the head. He's put beans for the hands. He's
And that
put
is
the fork
chicken.
for the body, and he's put chicken legs for the legs.
Aiyo.
That is so
My
cute, isn't
God.
it?
Yeah.
I
Good
think it is
one.
very
It's
cute.
like a puppet.
He's made a puppet with his food. How cool, Pranav. Good job, baby. Very
And
good.
also we saw the puppet in the theater show in Rankashankara, you know?
Yes, Anish's show in Rangashankara, we did see the puppet. That was amazing, wasn't it?
I like to see
Puppets
that.
are not real, no?
I like to see the puppet again after
Puppets are
this.
not real, no?
Puppets are real. Oh, now Nanda Kishore thinks puppets are real. Very good.
Aiyo.
Very good. I told
Nana.
before that Nanda Kishore doesn't know what is true and what is false. That's why he's
I think puppets are just characters.
What, Mira?
no, Nandu. Puppets are now. There'll be a puppet next to you. See in the side.
Aiyo.
No,
What?
Puppet is standing. He's calling you.
like in Gully Gully Simpson, there are puppets there. It's like characters.
Don't ask silly questions, Nandu.
Sesame Street. Sesame Street.
Inside them, people are there. By the way, the puppet is not real. Okay.
But in Sesame Street and Gully Gully Simpson, it is there. That's all.
Oh, no, they are not real. Puppet is false. Inside there is a human being.
It's a character.
It's a character. Inside there is a human being. Like a car. A car is moving by itself.
No.
No.
No, it can't move by
Human being
itself.
is moving the car. Correct? Pranav, look at Akshay. Look at Akshay. Focus. Human being is moving the car. Like that, a human being wears the costume of a puppet and does the acting. It's like your beloved doing acting. Don't
Yeah.
understand. So many movies you watch, no? Beloved, forgot. Okay, very good. Understood now, puppet?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Good job. Darwaza khulla rakho, please. Now, so everybody says, don't play with your
Don't play with your food.
David. Now, next, Nandu, tell me what's happening.
That's enough.
What is David doing wrong here, Nandu?
Eating too much.
Yes, one is he's eating too much. Like the other day, Mr. Nanda Kishore grabbed the cashew nut packet from his brother 1 kg because he wanted to eat the full packet like David.
Yeah. Because I was hungry that day.
My
and
God.
then he was hungry. Now this is so hungry, so you eat the full
Oh.
packet. Wow. Wonderful.
So
Why
it
don't
is
you
saying
do one
that's
thing,
enough,
Nanda
David.
Kishore? Banana tree is outside, your mother is growing. Whenever you're hungry, go eat the full banana tree. Go.
No.
Why not? Banana tree is edible. Full. Root, stem, flower, fruit, everything. Go. Start biting the tree and eat. What, Nandu?
I don't know what to say anymore.
You will do that, eh?
No.
You will do that. It's a good idea.
I don't know what to say. I'm not thinking of doing that also.
So here David is eating more than he should eat. And he's going to get a bad tummy. He's going to
Stomachache.
He'll get a stomach ache. Then he'll be crying. But that's okay. Action, consequence. Action. If we do
Even if you
something
drink juice, it will
wrong-
cause problems, no?
Of course. If you do something
Definitely.
bad,
Juice, I think like Mirinda or Fanta, this will cause problems.
Damar, you too with your medicines now will get
Okay.
seizure. Huh? Please don't drink all that. Yes, whoever has seizure, do not drink Coca-Cola, do not drink Fanta, do not drink Mirinda. This is very, very bad for your brain. You will get
It's a junk drink, Akshay.
It's a junk
Should
drink.
drink a good thing like
I
a
don't
fruit
drink
juice.
that.
Yes, Pranav makes fresh fruit juices every day and he
Even
drinks
milkshakes also.
even milkshakes also, which is very, very good drink. Okay?
Pepsi,
Nandu, you want to
Pepsi
drink
Atom is bad.
Coca-Cola?
No, Pepsi Atom is very dangerous.
No, if you drink, get seizure. Okay?
No.
Very good. So mother says that's enough, David. What did mother say?
But Akshay, there is one good
That's
question.
Saying that's enough,
Why is it
David.
called Coca-Cola and
Actually,
Coke?
wait.
Why is it called Coca-Cola and Coke? Why it has two names?
Coca-Cola,
Nandu, you should not drink that junk drink.
Yeah,
It's
no,
bad
no,
for
don't
health.
drink
It's a different question. Please pay attention to what questions your friends are asking. Okay?
Okay.
Listen. You should listen. When you are talking, it is important. Pranav, where's your headphones?
I'll just wait.
Where are your headphones? I asked.
Oh.
So why it has two names?
So Coca-Cola was what we used was the old name. Then they changed the name and they made it Coke. That's all.
Okay, why?
They changed the name for advertising purposes.
Oh.
Branding, it is called. Very difficult to explain because you've not done 10th standard. That's why.
And because I'm stimming about those people.
You can stream about OCDs and go to Kilpack. No problem. Wait 1 second. Let me show you the correct picture. 1 second. I'm showing.
Hey, arre. Ayo.
No. Shameful.
Want to
Shameless.
do?
Shameless.
Want to do?
No.
Bum.
He's laughing now. Why should he laugh?
Who is he?
Pranav.
Because it's funny. Anybody who's going to go out naked like this, everybody will laugh. What rubbish? You're not going to laugh. If you see somebody naked on the road, you'll be crying. Eh?
No, I feel ashamed to see that.
Yes, you can feel ashamed. That's why we laugh. We make fun of them. That's the world. All right. Let's go to the next one. Pranav, explain to me what is happening.
Kit and he just left the TV on of the living room and saying,
No,
"Go to your room."
no. Mother is saying go to your room because he's always watching TV. Always.
Watching TV. Not studying.
Not studying. He's not doing his work. He's not sleeping
lazy.
on time. He's lazy boy like Nandu Kishore. Always
Right.
watching Minnale or Harry
Arre.
Potter or some other stupid TV. Always.
Ayo.
And,
Not studying. So mother is saying
Go to your room.
David's
Clean.
mother is saying, "Go to your room," and David didn't do any studies like us.
very bad. David is going to
How
become
bad?
a fool. David is going to become a.
Food.
Become fool and selfish.
Then who will give work to David?
Nobody will ever give work to David.
Nobody will
Will
give.
David get a salary?
No.
No. If he doesn't,
Then David is
study
going to
well,
be
then
rich or poor?
Poor.
he'll be
Poor.
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 And then David is going to be on the.
Streets.
Street.
Going to be beggar like that on the road.
Damar.
Because of my arguing with my family, I decided to stay in streets. of
Array again we started talking about.
Second point.
Sorry.
Only
I did not
5
know that.
chances.
And because
I'm
of
giving
streets
only
only, I
5
was
chances.
talking about this. The reason
I
I
don't
talked.
care. I don't care. No OCDs. Second chance.
No,
gone.
but you were saying no, that street thing. That's why I told that.
No, I am talking about David. You're talking about David?
Now I'm comparing.
Don't compare yourself to David. Don't. Second chance gone. Only 3 more left. Only?
But I'm not using
Meera.
any phone now.
Explain.
I'm
Explain.
not using any phone now.
So then David starts jumping around like one superhero, and mother says, "Settle down,
What is the meaning of settle down?
settle down."
And now, are you looking at the book or are you not?
Set.
What is this? Why did he share his screen?
Pranav, you don't need to share your screen now. Stop sharing.
Okay.
And,
Jumping.
and see that pillow is flying, teddy bear is flying, bed sheet is flying, blanket
And,
is flying. Is it
he-
okay?
It's
no,
not
no.
okay. Yeah.
Not okay.
Settle down means stop jumping. Sit down. Settle
Calm down.
means calm down.
Just chill and relax.
Yes, that is what it means. Now, who did the explanation for settle down? Meera. Nandu, explain what's happening over here.
Put your toys away.
Look at the picture and explain.
I think somebody is telling him to remove the toys away from the room.
Should you throw your toys like this all over the room?
No.
What will happen if we throw our toys like this all over the room?
It
What
become
will-
a junk room.
No, someone can fall over it.
what happens,
Very good, Nandu. It is a
Which
junk
person
room.
can
Very
fall
good,
down
Meera.
and get hurt also.
Yes, you can get hurt. Very good, Pranav.
Akshay, in Jakur's
We
school
should
on
just
safety lesson, you
put
talk
clean
that.
up the toys and put it
Yeah.
away and not
Correct.
to keep it
Correct.
there.
Very good, Nandu. Very good. That's good talking, Nandu. Nice, Meera. Nice, Pranav. Yes, this David is very naughty, don't you think?
Yeah, very
It's just
mischievous.
very bad.
Explain.
But Akshay, tell me, why did you tell
Wait.
safety lesson with me?
Nandu, not your turn. Put your hand up if you want to talk. I told you.
No, it's relevant to this toy thing.
Wait.
Does not matter. Wait.
Now, in the book, I can see David holding the baton. Just
Hi.
look, I see. So David's mother said, "Not in the house, David." And
Anybody plays cricket in the house?
No,
David
everything will
only
break.
does he's doing crazy
Cricket is
thing.
an indoor game or outdoor game?
Outdoor.
Outdoor, not indoor.
This looks like outdoors. Eh?
No, it's not outdoor. That's indoor.
Indoor.
Imagine he's going to take the ball and the bat and he's going to hit the ball and then it's going to go break the glass in the house.
Ayyo.
TV also. That's bad.
Very bad. Very bad idea.
David did
Extremely
a
bad
very
idea.
Bad.
silly thing.
Bad. Nandu, explain.
I said no, David.
What did David do, Nandu?
He was throwing at it something.
Yeah, what is that? Can't you see what it is? What is that?
Some mess up that breaking the pot.
Yes, he's broken the vase. The vase had flowers in it. Is this a good thing to
God.
do? Like Nandu went and broke the frame one day.
It's not a good idea. It's just terrible.
So they punished David. They punished David. They told him, go and sit in the corner.
Whatever I was supposed to
Sad.
ask you, I forgotten that actually.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy. So when he's gone into the corner, go and sit in the corner. I said, no, David. I said,
No, David.
David.
Meera, your turn.
David, come here. That means my mother is asking, come here, I will give you a
The
hug.
mother is, yes, the mother is saying, come here. Because the mother loves him, no? The mother has to
yeah.
correct him. Everybody's job, teachers, mothers, correct the children. But does that mean they hate the children or they love the children?
Love
They love.
Yes, because we love the children. Nandu, pay attention. You asked what is the point of the story. This is the point of the story. All of us adults are correcting you so that you have a happy life.
They are learning.
Yes, if you keep making mistakes like this, if you
Like-
eat, wait, Pranab, if you are going to do dangerous things, then you will get hurt. If you are going to dirty your house, then you will get sick.
Will fall sick.
Yes, if you're going to be taking bath in kuvam, dirty water,
Ayyo.
you will die because you will get germs.
You will get infection problem also.
If you are going to run outside naked, people will call you mad and put you in the mental hospital. This, if you're going to keep making sound all the time, people's ears will pain.
And it's bad to do this.
If you are going to eat too much food, your stomach will pain, you will get sick. If you are not going to study and you're not going to work and you keep watching TV and you keep doing your OCDs, you're going to go mad and you will not get a job, you will not get any money. If you're going to break all your bed, then where will you sleep? On the floor?
No, I can't take one.
If you fall over your toys and get hurt, you will go to hospital and take injection.
Like I told in that safety lesson in Jaco's school.
Correct. If you play with the bat and ball in the house and break things in the house, then who's going to buy the new things? There is the money. You're
Nobody is
wasting
going
money.
to buy any new stuff.
You keep breaking things in the house, you are wasting money. You're wasting,
Wasting money
Wasting
is not
money.
a good idea. It's
then you will
bad.
become poor. So, but mother is correcting him because she loves him. She wants him to live a happy life. So
She
she
changed.
calls him and she says, she gives him a hug and she says, yes, David.
Yes, David.
Now
change?
this is good behavior. Giving hug and listening to mama. I love you. What does she say?
Did he say you
I
will
love-
I
love
love
you.
you.
What does she say, Nandu? Read.
Yeah, I understand, but
Read.
what is that?
Read.
Will you they say you love him?
Read.
I love you.
Who's saying I love you, Nandu?
The mother.
Why is she saying I love you? Simply.
Because the baby said he will change.
Yes, the baby.
Baby
said-
is going to change, huh?
Of course, the baby is going to learn. You know who doesn't change?
Oh,
Tell me.
me only.
Ayyo.
No.
Correct answer. Torturing me all the time. Correct answer. Okay.
Yeah,
So did we understand that
like
it
how
is
I'm telling till my death, I will not like my cousin
Yeah, we
sister like that
understood.
only.
till your death. Don't worry, death is coming very fast.
No.
Okay, so what we are going to do is, now we have understood why people are correcting us. We are going to understand that, remember that everybody loves us and they are correcting us because they want us to live a
So
happy.
you read this story for fun today, no? So
Did you
today
have
we
fun?
read this story for fun today.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, somewhat. But I think reason you did that is for this
Yeah,
only, no?
we
No,
understood
I
about
do
it.
a lot of things for fun, but I also do it so that you understand more important things. I read the story so that all of you understand that when we are correcting you, there is no point fighting us, because we are not correcting you because we want it. We
It's
are
for our
correcting
good.
you for you.
For my good.
Okay. Instead of social story, we did David's social story today. That's what we did. Okay. Right. Now
David
let's
story.
get to
And we did it
work.
because of our good.
Yes. You have doubts?
No.
Very good. Okay. Let's get to work.
Okay.
I'm going to be teaching the articles lesson. So no, you guys are not doing anything in the laptop. I want all of you to pick up a book and a pen and come. Thank you.
Okay.